G'day guys, back on the Campaspe again today. I've decided to come down and use shrimp as bait to see what I can catch on that. It's the same spot where I got a cod on cheese last week, but after the amount of shrimp I got in the nets that day, I'm keen to see what I can catch using shrimp in this spot. Let's see how I go. Wow, I've been here 5 minutes and I've already caught a heap of shrimp and a yabby. That's awesome. I've been getting bites on both of these rods, which is fantastic. The bonus about using shrimp over cheese is with cheese I'm targeting Murray Cod specifically. They're the only fish I'm probably going to hook in this river, in this part of this river with cheese. When I'm using shrimp I could hook a big redfin, I could hook a yellowbelly, I could hook a Murray Cod, I could even hook a carp, I could even hook a silver perch in here on a freshwater shrimp. So there's many bonuses to using freshwater shrimp as bait over cheese. If I wanted to target only Murray Cod, I would use cheese. Oh! Missed him. He took my shrimp. Oh, I missed that. That was a good bite. Alright, I'll have to get another shrimp. Oh, I do have him on there. I thought I lost whatever it was. Beautiful little yellow. Wanted a shrimp today. I was busy with the other rod for this one. He wanted some shrimp. There you go guys, beautiful yellowbelly. It's got that nice yellow golden colour, same as the one I caught the other day. I reckon this one's about a centimetre or two smaller. He'd be about 35 centimetres. I'm not going to bother measuring him today, I'm just going to put him back in the water. Alright mate, you ready? In you go. Off he goes that way. Now I didn't do a gentle release because the bank's a bit steeper than I would like and I don't want to get that close to the water or I might fall in. So I just speared him in head first, which is fine, that's good for the fish. Gets the water flowing through the gills straight away and off they go into the depths. And it's time to let all these shrimp go. my time here's come to an end for the day, guys. I did get the one yellowbelly on the shrimp, so it's a good spot for both Aussie natives here, the cod and the yellows. Depends what bait I use by the look of it, but next time I might set up one rod with each and see what I get. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. I'll catch you in the next one.